Students, we are going to start with the treatment of closing stock in trial balance. Normally, closing stock does not appear in the trial balance, but there are few cases when closing stock may appear in the trial balance. So what are these cases? If before preparing the trial balance, closing stock is brought into account by the accountant by adjusting it against the purchases. So there is an entry made for adjusting it against the purchases, and the entry is closing stock account debited to purchase account. So this may happen before you prepare the trial balance. So if such situation occurs, then yes, closing stock may appear in the trial balance. Second case is in case the trial balance is prepared after preparing trading account. So trading account is one of the financial statements, and if trial balance is prepared after preparing trading account, then also closing stock will appear in the trial balance. Third case is in case the trial balance is prepared after passing adjustment entries, which are going to study in the future. So just for theoretical purpose, you remember there might be few cases when closing stock will appear in the trial balance, but generally closing stock does not appear in the trial balance. The next thing what I am trying to teach over here is the meaning of suspense account. So what happens is there might be some situation when the trial balance does not tally, and some steps must be taken to find out the causes of the discrepancies. So there are number of errors which might be committed. That can be because of the wrong disclosure of amounts, or it can be wrong casting, or it can be because of wrong posting, posting to the wrong side, or omission of posting of one side, or any errors of totaling. So there might be different errors committed, and steps must be taken to locate the errors. So in a situation when trial balance does not tally, the difference in the trial balance is placed to a newly opened account known as suspense account. So this suspense account should be only opened when, in spite of best efforts of an accountant, all the errors are not located and the trial balance does not tally. So if your concepts are clear, if you have put the debit accounts in the debit side as well as the credit accounts in the credit side, and in spite of your best efforts, the trial balance does not tally, the difference in the trial balance is placed to a newly opened account known as suspense account, and then the trial balance tally. So if the debit side of the trial balance exceeds the credit side, so after preparing the trial balance, putting the amount of the particular account in the respective columns, then also if the trial balance does not tally, and if the debit side of the trial balance exceeds the credit side, the difference will be put on the credit side of the suspense account to tally the trial balance, and vice versa. If the credit side of the trial balance exceeds the debit side, the difference will be put on the debit side of the suspense account. So this you have to remember.